And I know some of you who've been watching my live streams, you've been really wondering why it is that when it is that I come into the terminal and write PA and run it, it works like PHP artisan. Well, this is a custom command, just like PAMFS is PHP artisan migrate fresh seed, and it will work just like a charm. As you can see, it runs the migrations and then will seed the data right afterwards. This is just a project that I had previously so that you can use that as an example. So all these migrations are being run, and then the seeders that are indeed down here are also being run custom to how I've tailored them. If I do in PAMF, then it will do PHP artisan migrate fresh, another custom command that I have created in this system. And if I do PAM, it is PHP artisan migrate. Of course, there's nothing to migrate because I've not deleted any tables that have already been migrated. So how did I do this? How did I go ahead and create this? Well, I'm going to take 2 minutes of your time from now, so please bear with me. In the meantime, before we even start those 2 minutes, I want you to go down there and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button as well, and then we can continue. All right, so if you go into your local disk, see your users, and then you go into whatever this would be for you. If your name is Adam, this is Adam. If your name is this PC, this PC. If your name is Steve, just go ahead and click that. Just don't click public. Then you go and scroll down all the way to a point where it's written bash RC. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed where I have set my commands. All right. As you can see, I've just started with alias PA, which is a command for PHP artisan. So I can really actually do this in this piece of code. So if you check this out, check out the terminal. So this is where the code is working. If I come in here and do nrd, which in my aliases nrd is npm run dev, then it will run npm run dev. Then if I come in here and do nb after cancelling this, so nb, it will build all those with npm run build, and then do what it is that is necessary to be done. So that's how my code, or rather that's how my aliases inside my bash RC operate. So you can do this for yourself as well. You can come in here, copy these commands. You can go ahead and use these, and they will work perfectly. Trust me. So with that being said, I think that's really the start to the end of the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please do indeed take care. And as always, God bless.